Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361, leave uniform, VFR with request.
Number 9622 Quebec, Chicago departure, your radar contact. Was it Skyhawk calling?
361, leave uniform, VFR with request.
November 361, leave uniform, Chicago.
361, leave uniform would like VFR flight following at 3500 to Dubuque, Delta, Bravo, Quebec.
Number 27 Golf, turn off heading 360, there's the final approach course. November 361, Lima uniform, squawk 5101, and what was your type aircraft? Was it a Skyhawk or Skylane?
Skyhawk and 5161 you said?
5101.
5101 for 361 leave uniform.
Number 27 Golf, you're 3 from Usage, maintain VFR, clear VOR, runway 36 approach. Number 27 Golf, Chicago approach, Southwest 2356, descending via the EC5, we have Alpha. Southwest 2356, Chicago range for Alpha, expect the ILS 31 center. 31 center, 2356. Chicago. Number 1 Lima uniform, your radar contact 3 west of Lewis, the altimeter is 3010.
3010 for one leave uniform. English.
Number 1 Lima uniform, check 12 o'clock high, 3 miles southeast on 8,700 indicated, descending pretty quickly.
Got the company traffic in sight, one leave uniform.
That's your company?
Yeah, we're all Lewis University.
I gotcha. Is that 80 X-ray another Skyhawk?
Affirm.
Got a nice tail in there.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to having that on the way back for one leave uniform.
November 1 Lima uniform, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound, 3,100 indicated descending.
We're looking at one leave uniform. Traffic in sight, one leave uniform.
Thank you. Number 1 Lima uniform, traffic 12 o'clock and 4 miles Cherokee up talk, 2 turn northbound VFR 3000.
We're looking one leave uniform.
1 Lima uniform, you'll pass slightly behind them, they're going to stay at or below 3,000. Call Rockford approach 121.0 and have a nice day.
121.0, we got the traffic in sight for one leave uniform.
Here.
Rockford, Skyhawk 361, leave uniform, 3,500.
361 Lima uniform, Rockford approach, altimeter 3008, say destination.
3008, and we're going to Dubuque, Delta, Bravo, Quebec.
On the uniform traffic at your 1 o'clock, almost 2 miles, we get 3,200.
Got him in sight, the other controller advised me, one leave uniform. Alright, so this is my first time crossing over the Mississippi River. I am officially further west than I've ever been. First time I've ever been in Iowa. And we are 10 miles out? 12 miles out from Dubuque.
November 361, use Lima uniform, Dubuque 12 o'clock, 12 miles, radar service is terminated, contact Dubuque Tower 119.5.
119.5 for 361 Lima uniform, see you in a bit.
See ya.
Dubuque Tower, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, 3,500.
361 Lima uniform, Dubuque Tower 45 southeast.
Moving forward 5 southeast for 1 Lima uniform, requesting full stop taxi. Tower 361 Lima uniform is 5 southeast.
1 Lima uniform, report Midfield left down on my 18.
Midfield left down 18, we're reporting 1 Lima uniform. Lima uniform is midfield left downwind.
1 Lima uniform, runway 18, clear land.
Runway 18, clear land for 1 Lima uniform.
Uniform left turn on to Delta near taxiing straight back to the runway.
Straight back to the runway for 1 Lima uniform, correct.
1 Lima uniform, runway 18, taxi via Delta Alpha cross runway 31.
Delta Alpha cross runway 31 for 1 Lima uniform. Delta Alpha cross.
Are you guys going to stay in the pattern or just depart?
We're going to depart to Janesville for 1 Lima uniform.
Alright, Roger.
Lima uniform is flown short of runway 18, ready to go.
261 Lima uniform to Dubuque Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff, proceed on course for 1 Lima uniform. Clear right, clear left. Wait, verified, here we go.
Lima uniform, no observed traffic your direction. If you can contact Chicago Center on 132.95 for flight following. Have a good night.
133.95 for 1 Lima uniform, thanks for the help. Chicago Center, Skyhawk 361, Lima uniform, 3.2 for 55. Hello?
Missed the call sign. Who was that?
Skyhawk 361, Lima uniform, 3.6 for 55.
And we're looking for flight following?
Flight following to Janesville, then Lima Oscar Tango for 361 Lima uniform.
I'm getting you a code here. Just want to make sure I get the call sign correct. It's November 361 Lima uniform.
Affirm, 361 Lima uniform.
November 361 Lima uniform, squawk a beacon code of 6241.
6241 for 1 Lima uniform.
November 361 Lima uniform, that is. Your radar contact 5.5 miles east of Dubuque. Altitude indicates 5,000. Say again your type and destination.
We're a Skyhawk 172. We are headed to Janesville, and then after a landing there, we'd like flight following down to Lima Oscar Tango.
Is it going to be a full stop there at Janesville?
Affirm.
Roger. November 361 Lima uniform, you do have VFR traffic at your 12 to 1 o'clock and 10 miles opposite direction indicating 3.5, unverified type unknown.
We're searching 1 Lima uniform. One Lima uniform has the traffic.
I got a couple frequencies, 3 aircraft at once there. Endeavor 4700, I heard you check on, send to maintain 14,000, altimeter up at Oshkosh 3002. Sponsored cargo 8188, you called there at a 300 for 230. Sponsored cargo 8188 Heavy, Chicago Center, welcome. After falls by the Maddie... What are we on now? The Maddie 6 arrival to here. Correct. And one more checking on. Who is that? Oh, 1 Lima uniform. You said you had the traffic?
Affirm, got the traffic in sight.
1 Lima uniform. Thank you. One more, I think. Lima uniform, just so I pass it along to Rockford correctly. I forgot already. Did you say it's a full stop at Janesville or touch and go?
Full stop, taxi back at Janesville for 1 Lima uniform.
Thank you. Lima uniform, contact Rockford approach 126.0.
126.0 for 1 Lima uniform, thanks for the help.
Yep.
Rockford approach, Skyhawk 361, Lima uniform, 5,500.
November 361 Lima uniform, Rockford approach, Rockford altimeter 3010.
3010 for 1 Lima uniform. One Lima uniform has Janesville.
1 Lima uniform, Roger, radar system terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency approved. Have a good day.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved for 1 Lima uniform. Janesville Tower, Skyhawk 361 leaving form is 5,100, inbound for full stop taxi back.
1 Lima uniform, report 3 mile left base 22.
3 mile left base, runway 22 for 1 leaving form. Yeah, 3 mile left base for runway 22.
Tower report 1, I'm on taxiway Delta. I'm finished, I just need to get back to the shop.
Uniform is 3 mile left base, runway 22.
1 Lima uniform 22, click the option. 085.
Can you repeat that for 1 Lima uniform?
1 Lima uniform 22, click the option. Wind 200 at 5.
Clear to land, runway 22, 1 Lima uniform.
Charlie Alpha Cross 36.
Can 1 Lima uniform get a full stop taxi back actually?
To get off at Charlie and Alpha Cross 36 to back to 22, get a taxi back.
Alright, so Charlie Alpha cross runway 36 for runway 22, 1 Lima uniform. One Lima uniform is holding short runway 22, ready to go.
1 Lima uniform, hold short 22.
Holding short 22, 1 Lima uniform. One Lima uniform, clear to take off runway 22, proceed on course for 1 Lima uniform. All lights are on. Janesville, can 1 Lima uniform switch over to Rockford?
1 Lima uniform, please change approved.
Frequency change approved for 1 Lima uniform. No help at all. 121 point.
901 Rockford, departure radar contact.
Rockford departure, Skyhawk 361, Lima uniform is 5,500.
Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, Rockford approach, Rock altimeter 3010, clear flight.
3010, and we'd like VFR flight following to Lima Oscar Tango, please.
361 Lima uniform, 4233, ident.
4233, ident.
southeast deployed airport, I'm going to get 5,500, you know, of course, maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR for 1 Lima uniform. Louis traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is turning final, runway 20, Louis. Louis traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is 2 mile final, runway 20, Louis.
Not terrible. Flaps up.
Louis traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is clear, runway 20, Louis.
Alright, I'm going to see you guys later. Not going to film the shutdown, just I got too much stuff on my computer. So I'll see you guys in the next flight. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a great day.